Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 8, leçon W. In this lesson we will discover together some verbs that can be constructed with the preposition dans. Okay, and as usual we'll try to see the translation and also the way to pronounce them correctly. So we can start right now. To cost about, coûter dans, coûter dans, coûter dans. To enter, entrer dans, entrer dans, entrer dans. To learn from, apprendre dans, apprendre dans, apprendre dans. To live in, partir dans, partir dans, partir dans. To live in, vivre dans, vivre dans, vivre dans. To look in, regarder dans, regarder dans, regarder dans. To look in, chercher dans, chercher dans, chercher dans. To look through, fouiller dans, fouiller dans, fouiller dans. To pour into, verser dans, verser dans, verser dans. To read in, lire dans, lire dans, lire dans. To run through, courir dans, courir dans, courir dans. To wander around, errer dans, errer dans, errer dans. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.